There are many more ideas for small gardens than you might think. Of course, we all love a large and spacious garden, but very few of us have that opportunity. However, we can do much more than we think in a small garden. Even if you don't own land, you could still have a small garden on your balcony or terrace. In truth, no matter how narrow it is, there are tons of ideas for small gardens. So don't discount the possibility of updating that narrow space. Of course, both small gardens as well as narrow patios and terraces may require a bit more thought than larger spaces. But just the same, it can be transformed into a stylish outdoor retreat. All you need are little ideas to get started. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of patio design ideas and backyard garden landscaping ideas for your house exterior decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to the availability of many ideas for small gardens, they have several advantages, but the main one is that they are incredibly low maintenance. They are also great spaces to get creative with, as even the smallest additions, from colorful throw pillows to fancy garden lighting, will have a dramatic and impactful effect. A mirror in the garden will make the space look larger than it actually is. You can certainly buy one. However, creating your own using an old door or a painted trellis mounted on a mirrored board is an inexpensive alternative to an outdoor mirror. Using a grid mirror will make birds less likely to fly into it. You can also consider camouflaging the walls as much as possible. Painting exposed walls with a green exterior paint helps blend and promote the feel of the surrounding greenery. So painted walls along with the use of mirrors will help create a much stronger illusion that the space looks bigger than it is. Living or green walls were once the domain of designer installations and commercial venues, yet they are increasingly making their way into residential gardens and, more importantly, small gardens. Certainly a living or green wall, it is incredibly beautiful. You should only take inspiration from the elements of a living wall, using the wall space for careful planting. This will allow even the smallest spaces in the garden to flourish, making the most of the space. Without a doubt, this can also work on a stretch of fence or bare wall, and even on the side of a balcony. One of the great and easy ideas for small gardens is to play with heights to add a feeling of space and depth. Use groups of different pots containing foliage at different heights and scales to make the most of the space. Add interest to a small garden by adding perspective with different levels. You can achieve this either in a sunken terrace area and a lawn, for example. Likewise, shelves and steps can also be very useful, as you will add additional places to place the pots or furniture for the guests. Any of these small outdoor spaces can be transformed into a vertical garden, accommodating smaller pots and baskets. These glorious textured plantings make great use of limited space. A variety of herbaceous perennials, grasses, small shrubs, herbs, and even fruits and vegetables can be used. Try to include scented plants, seasonal flowers, and bulbs. But it is of the utmost importance that you speak with the expert who will provide you with the plants, and inform him that the plants must adapt to the appearance and microclimate of the wall on which they will be grown. It is truly important that you think about how you can make the most of every inch of the space. Usually a small garden feels very enclosed, simply because of the surrounding walls. Therefore, the use of corner seats will not only use the space more effectively, but can also help to hide a large part of said walls a bit. You can even decrease the attention of the walls and it will create the illusion of space. Try to create the illusion of space in a garden design by dividing it into zones. Lay out a beautiful accent outdoor rug to define a living area. The floor covering will act as an anchor point, so you can place small pieces of furniture around it. Giving each area a purpose helps create the feeling of space by outlining more than one use for the garden even if it is narrow. Choosing outdoor furniture that folds or stacks when not in use is a great way to save space in a small garden. Likewise, having a storage area for certain items can be very difficult in a small garden. So you can consider acquiring seats that are also used as a storage unit. This is also a great idea to create more space in your garden for the things you want. You can also think about introducing low walls that double as seats. You may only have room for a chair or two, but there will be no space available for visitors. So by adding raised beds surrounded by walls, your plants will not only be easier to care for, but you will also create additional places for people to sit. Place some cushions for comfort, in colors that match your plants. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked patio design ideas and backyard garden landscaping ideas for your house exterior decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.